Everyone wants financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms without constantly worrying about money. But very few people actually achieve it before turning 30. The truth is, it's not about luck or being born rich. It's about learning the game early and playing it smarter than most people do. The first step toward financial freedom is changing your mindset about money. Most people spend their 20s chasing paychecks, not realizing that their time is the most valuable thing they have. Financially free people don't chase money, they build assets. Assets are things that make money for you even when you're not working, like investments, businesses, or digital income sources. If you truly want to be free before 30, you need to build at least 3 streams of income. The first one is your active income, the money you earn from your job or your main skill. This is where you start, but you can't stop here. Your second stream should be a side hustle or online business that can grow independently of your time. Something like freelancing, digital products, or affiliate marketing. And your third stream should come from investments, putting your money into assets like stocks, index funds, or real estate that generate returns passively. The biggest mistake young people make is trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. They buy expensive clothes, cars, and gadgets to impress others, but real wealth is quiet. It's built in the silence through discipline, consistency, and smart decisions. Every dollar you save and invest in your 20s grows into freedom in your 30s. Financial freedom doesn't mean you stop working. It means you get to choose what you work on. It's about having time, peace, and options. And the earlier you start, the faster you get there. Remember, the goal isn't to have more money, it's to have control over your time. If you focus on building assets, diversifying your income, and avoiding lifestyle inflation, you'll be far ahead of 99% of people your age. Financial freedom before 30 isn't a dream, it's a decision. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Investors, where we share real strategies to build wealth and create the freedom you deserve.